Hey everyone. There's nothing more annoying than opening AutoCAD and seeing a big empty space where your tools should be. If you're seeing the message, "The ribbon does not have any tabs or panels currently loaded," don't panic. In 2026, this is usually just a workspace glitch or a menu path error. Today, I'm showing you the 3 fastest ways to bring your ribbon back to life. Let's fix it. Step 1. The quick workspace switch. Sometimes AutoCAD just fails to load your interface on startup. Look at the bottom right of your screen for the gear icon, workspace switching. If you're on drafting and annotation, switch to 3D modeling and wait a second. Then switch back to drafting and annotation. This forces AutoCAD to refresh the UI and often solves the problem instantly. Step 2. The CUILOD command, the main fix. If switching workspaces didn't work, your customization file might be unloaded. Type CUILOD in the command line and hit enter. In the window that pops up, look for ACAD in the list. If it's there, click it and hit Unload. Now click Browse and navigate to your support folder, usually under App Data. Find the file named acad.cuix or acalt.cuix for LT users. Select it, click Open, and then hit Load. Your tabs should pop back up immediately. Step 3. Reset the profile. If the ribbon is still empty, your user profile might be corrupted. Type OP for options and hit Enter. Go to the Profiles tab on the far right. Select your current profile and click Reset. Confirm Yes when the warning appears. This will return your interface to the factory default settings, clearing out the error. Step 4. The ribbon command check. It sounds simple, but sometimes the ribbon is just closed. Type ribbon in the command line and hit Enter. If you see the tabs but no tools, click the small cycle button, the white arrow icon next to the tab names a few times. You might have accidentally minimized the ribbon to tabs only or panel titles mode. One of these steps is guaranteed to get you back to work. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.